Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to cook oyster sauce lettuce. This dish is very easy to make and very delicious. Hope you will like it. So now let's start cooking. Prepare one lettuce and cut it like this. Use a pot to boil some water. When the water boils, add half a teaspoon of salt and some cooking oil to it. Then put the lettuce into the pot. We first need to put the root part into the water to cook for around 10 seconds. Then cook the whole lettuce for around 30 seconds. Turn off the heat and take the lettuce out. Now we need to mix some garlic. Prepare a pan and add some cooking oil to it. Put the garlic into the pan. Stir fry a little bit. Soon we will be able to smell the flavor of garlic. Then we can make the sauce. We need a little bit of salt, 1 spoon of soy sauce, 1 spoon of oyster sauce, some starch, and some water. Mix well and the sauce is ready. Pour the sauce into the pan. Keep on stirring until the sauce starts to thicken. Turn off the heat. Pour the sauce onto the lettuce. It is ready. This is today's cooking recipe. If you like it, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks a lot and I will see you guys soon.